Hello everyone, it's Brett here, Lionheart84. So I'm filming this on a Sunday the 9th of July. I don't know when the video will go out. But I've got an awful lot of repotting to do, of which this is only some of it. I've got quite a lot of young plants that desperately need to be up potted. I've got seedlings that need to be split and see if I can repot them and get them growing again still. So it's got quite a task ahead of me. I thought we'd run through a few of them. The plants that need up potting, small plants, are ones that came from Jurassic plants. We've got a jujube, varieties Dong, an Agni Montana, Obsidian Acutangulum. So they're ones that I've purchased, and these pots, I made the mistake of leaving some of my Chilean guavas in these little pots over winter, and I didn't protect them. They were outside. I thought they'd be okay, and obviously the cold weather killed them, but I don't think it helped being in these small pots. I'm going to try and separate two of my salac or snake fruit palms, and you can just start to see the sort of spines they develop on the back of the leaves, which I hadn't noticed till now. So this is going to be a bit of a spiteful palm if I manage to keep it alive for a little bit. And I noticed the second seedling has got a second leaf sword coming out, so these definitely need to be split now. Some of the others that need doing, my jackfruit, starting to get the usual brown leaves that I get on jackfruit seedlings, which normally precedes them dying, which either means problems with the roots or problems with salts or minerals in the soil. So they need to be at least split up and see if I can keep them alive a bit longer. I've got a very sickly looking Obsidian guyanense. Looks like it's suffering from major root issues, which are then causing a nutrient deficiency in the plant and the leaves, so that needs to be dealt with. I'm going to change the compost to a different one. I've got various types of lily-pilly seedlings. I've just sprayed these because they were covered in mealybugs. Now these were from seeds collected at Kew Gardens and were sown in November 2022. I didn't take the species name, I didn't make a note of it. I'll have to do that when I next go back to Kew, because I don't know if it's Smithii or paniculatum or one of the other lily-pilly variants. These larger ones here, which are looking a little bit pale, it's probably because of where I've had them in the house on a shaded window. This is meant to be another lily-pilly. These seeds came from Spain. Again, I'm not too sure which one, and they were sown, that's actually February 22, 20th of February 22. I didn't write the year on it, and I've got two batches of those. The other ones that have been in a different window look much healthier, so it just goes to show location makes a difference. And there's some more of those seedlings from Kew. They don't look so good. I've got a Fuerte avocado here that's pot bound, needs redealing with. A Psidium eugeniflorea that I think could do with a different compost. The reason it's drooping a bit at the moment is because it needed watering, so I've given it a good soaking first before I consider repotting it. And I've also got a number of avocados that are extremely pot bound. This one's a Hass. This one is an unknown round avocado variety, so it could be a Caribbean one of some sort. And this one with all the usual leaf browning I get on avocados here, but it's been inside for a long time and is pot bound, is a Bacon. So that's just a few of what I've got to repot today. I've actually got a load more young plants and seedlings that need up potting, but I think this will be enough to keep me going for the time being. As the weather's not too bad, and we'll obviously see how we get on with these. But I just thought I'd do a quick run through video. I'm not going to do the after video because they'll be featured at different times in videos on their own. It was just a case of showing you my tasks for the day. So thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Welcome to share the video. Subscribe to my channel, of course, if anything I grow interests you. and click on the bell if you'd like updates on new videos when they come out, which will obviously include at some stage updates on these plants. I'll catch up with you all soon. Whoops, press out for now.